Hey everyone, my name is Jen, but that doesn't matter. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I will show you how to make my favorite dessert ever, which is chocolate salami. Now this is just my variation of this recipe. I did not invent this, so there are tons of recipes online that you can also follow. And I'm not saying that my way is the correct way. Okay, let's go. The chocolate salami ingredients that I used in this video: 200 grams of dark chocolate, 120 grams of Marie biscuits, 50 grams of crushed almonds, 2 tablespoons of butter, I accidentally used too much, and 2 deciliters of cream. Step by step. Crumble the Marie biscuits in a plastic bag. Turn the stove on high and heat up the cream. When steam arises from the cream, add the chocolate and turn the heat to a medium. After chocolate is melted, add butter. I accidentally added way more than I should have, but we move forward. Once butter is melted and everything is smooth, turn off the heat. Pour in the Marie biscuits little by little and stir. And after all the Marie biscuits are in, add the crushed almonds. Once everything is combined, pour half of the mixture onto a parchment paper. Be careful not to pour too much. Then roll up the parchment paper into the shape of a salami. Repeat this step. Then move the chocolate salamis into the fridge to set until solid, preferably overnight. Okay, let's have one. So the shape, I failed the shape a little bit, but it's only the taste that matters. Even though I put way too much butter in it, it's still excellent. So I really hope you guys try this at home. Thanks for watching. Bye.